The first treatment is topical application. We can apply some hair solutions so that we can stop the hair fall. The most common is topical minoxidil. Minoxidil was given as a tablet to treat hypertension or increased PP, but then everybody noticed that it is leading to growth in hair. As a result of which, formulations came in the market which had topical minoxidil to help the control the hair loss. Minoxidil comes in a concentration of 3 to 5% and it can be used over the head. See, it's a very debatable thing. Some doctors, they prescribe minoxidil in routine, but it has certain side effects. So what is the role of minoxidil? Minoxidil is said to increase the blood supply or the vascular supply to the hair follicle, as a result of which there is increased nourishment to the hair follicle and enhancement of the anagen phase or the growing phase of the hair follicle. But it has some side effects also. Minoxidil, whenever we use minoxidil, we should wash your hands after applying, because if we apply minoxidil to the face or some other body area, the hair will start growing over there. Secondly, minoxidil has some itching and some scalp dryness as a side effect. That's very minor. And thirdly, minoxidil, it is known to improve the nourishment to the hair follicles, and taken for a long period, it actually promotes hair growth. But once you stop minoxidil, all the nourishment and all the vascular supply to the hair fall stops and the hair goes back to the original situation. So you will feel a lot of hair shedding once you stop minoxidil. But if you keep continuing it for ever and ever, it's a good option. There is another topical solution, that is finasteride. Finasteride acts on 5-alpha reductase, that is an enzyme which converts testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, which is an active form. So finasteride, because it may lead to some sexual disorders, like it may lead to loss of libido or erectile dysfunction, so it's not very popular. But the topical form of finasteride can be used. We have many combinations of minoxidil and finasteride in the market which can be used regularly to improve the hair loss. Another topical thing is, you can use any ketoconazole shampoo. It directly doesn't have any effect on the hair loss, but what we feel is that it is an anti-inflammatory and it is antifungal, so it clears the scalp of all the inflammation. So it may help to improve, or it may act as an adjunct in the hair loss therapy. So you can use any ketoconazole shampoo along with your topical solutions. So many doctors, they advise some supplements for the hair loss treatments. Yeah, the supplements are good, but biotin, biotin, it's blown out of proportion as a hair loss therapy. Biotin will be helpful to you only if you are biotin deficient. Otherwise, it won't be of any use in any kind of alopecia. So yes, the supplements, you can take different kind of supplements. They act as an adjunct to the hair loss therapy, but only on their own, they won't stop your hair fall. There are many reels on Instagram, and people, they come and ask whether they should use some onion juice or some rosemary oil or some other forms of oil. I can just say that there is no scientific researches on this, and there is nothing proven that these things, they really help in hair loss treatments or hair loss therapy.